Alan Alexander Milne, an English author, once said, "The things that make me different are the things that make me." Could this be a perfect definition of branding? And what is that magic thing great brands are made of? Is it design, typography, vision, imagination, or a big dose of foresight? We believe it's the golden ratio of all those things that help brands grow and stand out. Branding is not like sprinting, it's more like a marathon, a unique promise kept over time. It's a story well told, a story that will resonate in the hearts and minds of your customers far into the future. Let us use our passion, experience, and creativity to make your brand's voice loud and clear.